You bought the land, so you can build right up to the very edge, right? Wrong. That assumption has cost developers millions in forced demolitions. There is an invisible line on your property that you cannot cross, no matter how much you paid for the lot. It looks like wasted space, but it's actually one of the strictest legal boundaries in construction. Let's dive into the law in Part 2. Under the National Building Code, that empty space is called an easement. It is a legally mandated setback where no permanent structure can be built. This is non-negotiable. Easements guarantee critical access for public utilities, ensure proper natural ventilation between structures, and serve as mandatory fire safety buffer zones. Ignore it, and your building permit gets instantly denied. How strict is it? Find out in Part 3. Let's look at the reality. Imagine proposing a modular floating pontoon system and a sea-to-lounge reception area for maritime arrivals. You have to strictly observe the water easement. Whether it's a coastal edge or an inland waterway, the law requires a public salvage zone. Encroach on that legal setback with your foundations, and your entire waterfront project gets flagged. Always respect the easement. Welcome back to Arkitrivia. In our previous parts, we uncovered the hidden laws of property lines, legal easements, and why that empty space around your land is non-negotiable. But knowing the law is only half the battle. How do you apply these rules practically without sacrificing your dream layout? Let's break down the best practical approach to planning your property safely and efficiently. Step 1. Never rely on visual estimates or old fencing. The first practical step is conducting a professional land survey. Locate your monuments. Always find your property's actual steel or concrete boundary markers. Cross-reference local zoning. Check your local municipal planning office for specific road right-of-way widenings or hidden utility easements that might slice through your usable land. Map the build envelope. Subtract all front, side, and rear setbacks from your total lot area before sketching any room layouts. This ensures your conceptual design actually fits legally from day 1. Step 2. Turn constraints into design features. Restrictions don't mean wasted space. They call for smarter architecture. Utilize setbacks for natural light. Position windows and pocket gardens within side setback areas to maximize cross-ventilation and daylighting. Flexible open spaces. Use non-permanent structures like pergolas, decks, or removable landscaping within allowable buffer zones. Protect your investment. By designing around easements rather than fighting them, you completely eliminate the risk of costly structural demolitions or denied building permits down the line. Step 3. Coordinate early with your structural engineers. Foundation placement is where many waterfront or tight lot projects fail inspection. Ensuring your footings and deep piles respect underground municipal drainage or public salvage zones keeps your project fully compliant, saving you months of legal delays and thousands of dollars in revisions. Step 3. Coordinate early with your structural engineers. Foundation placement is where many waterfront or tight lot projects fail inspection. Ensuring your footings and deep piles respect underground municipal drainage or public salvage zones keeps your project fully compliant, saving you months of legal delays. And building your dream home is an incredible journey, but you don't have to navigate the complex web of building codes and property laws alone. Before you pour a single bag of concrete, always look for and consult your local architects and engineers. They hold the local expertise to bring your vision to life safely, legally, and beautifully. If you learned something new today, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell here on Arkitrivia for more architectural insights. See you in the next episode. Thousands of dollars in revisions.